Welcome to the Appalachian Mountains of West Virginia. It's the first cool day of fall, and we're gonna be doing some frontier style hiking and camping. Ooh, look at that. There's like a 1.5 foot deep pile of leaves here. It is really luxurious. Oh, this is pretty nice. Oh, this is a tough call. This is about 2 hours and 2 miles before I was gonna start looking for a campsite. This is pretty awesome. There's such an enormous pile of dry leaves here. It's really soft. And with this rock acting as a heat reflector, if I built a campfire here, I'd be so warm. I need to eat some lunch while I think about this. Got some cheese and dried dates. Love it. I always bring way too much food on these campouts. Like going to bed hungry is not an option for me. I love my water flask. It took some doing to get it 100% watertight, but hasn't dropped a drip all day.